Imagine a cozy, calming pillow that not only soothes your muscles but also helps you relax after a long day. Well, with this DIY aromatherapy pillow, I found a way to turn simple ingredients into a stress relief miracle, and it's easier than you think. The Warm Well Aromatherapy Pillow is packed with natural goodness, calming whole wood, uplifting rose geranium, and the soothing aroma of lavender. It's perfect for relieving stress, easing muscle tension, or simply adding a comforting touch to your day. And the best part, there's no chemicals or synthetic fragrances, just all natural ingredients that help promote wellness. Here is how I made it. First, we're gonna start by filling our aromatherapy pillow with about 2.5 cups of rice. I have my rice pre-measured already. The rice retains heat and molds to your body, offering targeted relief where you need it the most. Next, we're gonna warm up this pillow in the microwave for 1 minute. If the temperature is not as hot as you'd like, you can continue warming it up in 30-second intervals. Then you're gonna need your 5 cotton balls. And on each cotton ball, you're gonna add 2 drops of whole wood and 1 drop of rose geranium. It should be a total of 10 drops of whole wood and 5 drops of rose geranium. And now we want to place the cotton balls inside the warm rice bag, just like that. And then you want to sprinkle in your lavender. The lavender buds enhance the pillow's calming effect, and they add a gentle, soothing texture. Once you've zipped the inside white bag, you can place it inside this cute pillowcase, and you would just apply it wherever you would need some relief. And after it cools, you can easily refresh it with more essential oils. And there you have it, a simple, comforting aromatherapy pillow made with natural ingredients. It's that easy. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this aromatherapy pillow yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. It comes with everything you need to create a natural, non-toxic wellness product at home. Plus, when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. Remember, making is healing. Let's see how this turned out. That really feels nice, warm, and soothing, and that smell is just very calming. This pillow feels like something you'd buy at a high-end spa, but you made it at home with natural ingredients. Seriously, the warmth combined with the essential oils is so comforting, and the lavender buds just adds that extra touch of relaxation. If this worked for me, it'll work for you too. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Share your creations with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. And if you want more easy, fun, toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you all in the next video.